name is Luke, and the reason I'm whispering is because I have Airbnb guests upstairs. I am a production designer, and I just saw your listing, and it was like 5 in the morning, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video and also be myself because I kind of got that vibe from the job description. So I'm going to show you a couple links and send you a bunch of other links. But yeah, I think we're going to vibe. Here we go. So I'm definitely a hacker. This is a tool called AirShots, and it was a tool to take screenshots from an app, but that was more on the tech side. So my career is split into two main parts, advertising and tech, so I can take the best from both worlds. This is my website, and I have a little video on how to browse it, but you can browse by client, browse by the type of work, see all production design, and then when you see an item, you can click on it here and then see what I did for this particular project. And if you want to see similar things, it's all links. You can see all things that I did for A&C. I did do another cool project where I took, it's like ASMR, where I took the HTML email from COS, one of my favorite stores, and then I put on the clothes that I own from COS, and I positioned myself exactly, and then I made a documentary about it. So if you click on the image, you can see exactly how I made it. But yeah, I'll send you a bunch of other links in the portfolio. This is just a quick video to say hello. And I really liked the whole remote work first and things like that. So this video might be random, but I'd like to thank you for checking out my portfolio and hope you have a great day. Okay, bye. I'll include some bloopers from the other video. It had like the fan going the whole time, so I had to read the whole video, but this one's better because it's shorter. I also have a YouTube channel. Yeah, so check it out. It's pretty cool. Okay. It is 4:12 in the morning. So my app doesn't have autofocus, so I try to use this like to focus where my face is gonna be. We are in focus, I think. Oh well, I'm gonna go for it. Okay, that's good enough. Hi, my name is Luke Carter. I'm whispering because I have Airbnb guests upstairs, but I like to apply for the production designer position. And it's super early. I wake up super early because that's what I do. And influencer style. Oh, it's not even gonna be in focus. Do, and that is the end of my submission. Stay tuned for the bloopers. Oh, and I have a YouTube channel. I'll send that too. Okay.